Welcome. As preppers, sometimes we reach a point where we start to run out of ideas on items to put in our inventory. Being a prepper means being prepared for all possibilities. And in my thinking as a prepper, if I'm going to use an item on a daily or weekly basis, or I know I'm going to need that item in the future, I want to add that item to my inventory. So today I want to show you items that will help you take your preps to the next level. Let's get started. Let's start with items that we use on a daily basis. Gallon freezer bags, quart freezer bags, trash bags. I quit buying these in the smaller boxes and buy the larger boxes now. Parchment paper, cling wrap, aluminum foil. Here I have water filters, some propane. I use this in my Mr. Buddy heater. Always make sure I have plenty of canning jars. You might want to buy a first aid kit or items to make a first aid kit. Kerosene heater, candles. Here we have 5-hour candles. I bought this at Dollar Tree for $1. I should have bought more. Matches, flashlights, disinfectant sprays. Like I say, these are items I use all the time. Why not put them in your inventory as a prepper? Coffee filters, dish soap, different types of cleaners, Windex, all-purpose cleaner. This, in my opinion, glass cleaner is better than Windex. Here we have more cleaning supplies. I use these for my dishes. Next we have Swiffer cloths, paper plates, plastic cups, can openers. You can never have too many of these. Extra pairs of glasses, lighters, batteries. These are double A's, but you really need to put double A's, triple A's, 9 volts, CR132s, whatever batteries you need. Gloves, I have plenty of those. Kleenexes, napkins, paper towels, and of course, toilet paper. Then I stockpile pens, paper, tape, scotch tape, super glue, envelopes. These are things I use all the time. Why not have them in your inventory? You can always get you some seeds. If you have the money, always make sure you have a book. Q-tips, a brush, toothpaste, toothbrushes, razors, cologne, deodorant, shaving cream, shampoo. I bought this at Dollar Tree for $1. If you buy this at Walmart, $18. Hand soap, body wash, regular hand wipes, disinfectant hand wipes, laundry detergent, dryer sheets, duct tape. Never hurts to have a mini water filtration system. If you have a little extra money, get you a couple of these. And also, this is something I use on a regular basis. It's a blood pressure monitor. Pick you up one of those. You never know if you'll ever need it, but I do use it. Hopefully this gives you some ideas on things that you can stockpile other than food. A lot of times we get fixated on prepping just for food. The good thing about prepping these items are they are all shelf stable and will last indefinitely. So once you buy them, you don't have to worry about them going bad. As always, thank you for watching and happy prepper shopping.